to my channel. Today we will be playing with my friend again. And I have different progress. I got a Lamborghini Huracan, guys.
Yeah, bro.
So,
He has a Lamborghini.
Where are you, bro?
I'm in the racetrack, man.
Okay, I'm coming.
Come to me. The seconds is 15 seconds. Come, bro.
Okay, I'm coming, bro.
Hello guys, what's up? This is me. I'm Yusuf's brother, Muhammad Hanachi.
Mommy, I'm gonna lose.
Yeah, bro. You're losing, bro. Losing.
No cheating. It's cheating. Come.
Okay. Come. Where are you? Are you here?
Wait for me there. Wait for me. And gonna.
Okay. You gonna blow up.
Restart it.
Bye.
No, you're a cheater, man. You're a cheater.
Mama.
You're a cheater.
Yeah, I'm a cheater.
Bro, I faster than you.
No, you're not.
Wait, what?
Wait,
How is Corvette is faster than the Lamborghini? What the heck?
I have to.
Yeah, because you're playing on a PC. I'm playing on a tablet. In the tablet.
No, not a tablet. I'm playing in a PC, bro.
My tablet is so glitchy. You cannot really play that really good. But I'm losing.
Oh.
That's it.
I didn't know
Where
that.
are
I'm
you,
sorry.
man? Where are you?
You are too fast. Your computer is making your car go super fast.
Yeah.
You're not the best. I finished.
Hey, you.
I'm first. Huh?
$1,000.
I had got $1,000.
Okay, look,
Me,
Adam.
Yes,
500. You got 500.
I got one.
Adam.
Yes.
Adam and Yusuf, I dare you. You two.
Yusuf, you always crashed to me.
No, because I did the. Hello?
Yusuf and Adam, it's a challenge. It's a dare. Okay? So you have to do it.
I'm second.
I dare you to spend all your money on your base.
No.
Yes. I'm accepting the dare. I'm gonna go to my base real fast.
Yusuf, you're gonna accept the dare.
I accepted
Yusuf,
the
I
dare.
swear. Okay, so Adam and Yusuf accept the dare. Spend all their money just for the base.
Okay.
Like you're gonna have zero money.
Okay, why not?
I dare you. That is a dare. I'm sorry. I'm making this hard. You know what? I will cancel the dare. Just, you know what?
Wow! There's pictures on the wall of Bugattis and Lamborghinis and Ferraris and Corvettes.
What? Yeah, I know, it's so fast. No, don't spend your money. I'm just kidding.
Okay.
Just spend a little bit of money. Not that
Okay.
much.
Because I have $100, bro.
My brother is not rich.
Car
No.
says it.
Adam.
There's a garage. You can make cars in here. Fire rate. This is super cool, guys.
Where is it?
Where are you?
Where are you? Yeah, bro.
There's an upgrade car. There's an upgrade car thingy. You can make your car super fast. I'm gonna try it out. I'm 100% gonna try it.
Okay, I'm gonna try it. Where are you, man?
I upgraded my Lamborghini Huracan. How much speed
I
does
like
it
to
have?
upgrade that. Where are you?
How do you upgrade that? How?
And this thingy. Come to my cycle.
Okay.
I'm
Where
gonna
are
follow
you?
you? Where are you? You need to follow me.
Come, guys. Come into here.
We are in the bases. We are in the bases. The place where are the bases?
Where are you, Ben?
We don't know where are you. Where are you, actually?
I'm right here, guys. Look.
Where? I'm in the Corvette.
Come to this. The Adam.
We have a blue Corvette.
998 land.
10998.
Yes. Come to this place. I'm waiting on the sign, guys.
We don't know where.
Guys, just
You're not even here in the game.
I'm in the game. What are you talking about?
Where are you?
I changed my skin.
Oh. You want to see my skin, bro?
Come and you see my skin. It's amazing.
My skin is the best skin I ever seen. After my brother's gonna play.
But
Excuse me.
But what? Oh, I see you.
I'm coming.
I saw you. Your English is broken.
I know.
I'm gonna come and get you guys.
Ah!
Yusuf,
And then
I'm stuck in the fucking.
Yusuf, I'm in your tycoon, bro. Come.
oh, his base. You mean his base?
His dealership.
Come to me, come. You're in my base?
Yeah, he's in the base.
So
Where
Yusuf,
are you?
hey, I'm jumping.
This is your skin.
Yes, you bought it, bro. You bought it.
Yeah, he bought it. Oh, he's gonna upgrade his. Oh, دقيقة. Yeah, I saw it once. It says upgrade your car.
Look, upgrade.
Yeah,
car.
upgrade car.
It will
Do we
cost
upgrade
money.
it? We're gonna spend our money.
I got 15,000 because I upgraded my Lamborghini.
We can upgrade it.
Huh.
The speed.
No, not this.
Oh.
Upgrade it.
Guys, upgrade it. I'm out.
Yeah, we're gonna upgrade our Corvette.
I already
something.
upgraded my car, bro. I'm gonna.
Yeah.
come
Oh
here.
my God.
I spent so much money.
There is someone has $4,005,000.
Holy
What, bro?
cow, guys! This is
What?
nice. I'm gonna spawn my Lamborghini Huracan right there.
After this.
Hey, come. I'm gonna say you something.
I'm gonna go check the top speed of this Lamborghini Huracan when I upgrade it. Holy cow, guys! Look at this. Don't forget to
Oh
like.
my God, the speed!
Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Holy cow, this car is amazing.
My God! Oh my God! We need to raise.
Please guys, who likes Fortnite, just comment down below, like this video and subscribe it, please.
Who knows this game? Please comment below.
Let's get on 50 subscribers.
And
Please.
also we need 20,000 likes.
And please go to the right in the YouTube channel, Adam Nakash, and hit that subscribe button.
This sponsored by Cheetos.
And please like down below so we can make it fast. We can make it faster.
If you subscribe, we can do another video tomorrow morning.
Wow, this ramp is amazing, guys. Try out the ramps on the corners. They are ramps.
In 1 minute I can go in my base, you know?
Yeah, bro.
No, in one minute I'm gonna play that too.
Yeah, completely dumb.
Where are you, man?
I'm in the gas station. Come.
Are you in the
Gas station. So you are in the teleport.
No, I don't want to.
Why?
What happened?
What happened?
No, you're stuck. No. Yeah, like that. Teleport.
I parked my car in the parking spot, guys. I parked my car in the parking spot.
We are teleporting to the gas station.
Okay, bro.
Wait for me, okay? Wait for me.
Park your car, guys, in the parking spot.
Wait, let me see this live video.
I parked my car already. So that's good.
لا بعد هيعمل
Teleport, Yusuf, teleport.
I know.
I teleported. You're here.
Where are you? Hey, do you see my Lamborghini right there? It's parked nice.
Oh, I'm gonna park my.
I'm gonna go buy some snacks real fast, guys.
Wait,
I'm gonna buy some snacks. Oh, let's buy a pie. That looks delicious. Guys, I got a pie.
You will add it after.
You are savage. Guys, if you want us to make a song, just comment down below.
لا.
Yusuf, you also parked your car nicely, bro.
لا مش هكا.
What Yusuf?
Wait, I'm gonna play.
What not like this? Oh, go, bro.
Okay.
I have the acceleration on this car. 5 seconds, guys.
I'm gonna park, huh?
Yeah.
I parked it. It's with your Lamborghini.
Oh, yeah, you can increase levels. My Lamborghini Huracan is on level 2. You can upgrade levels.
Levels?
Yeah, and that top you can see levels. What's your car is level 1?
Adam.
Yeah? Yes, bro, yes.
You just hit 7 subscribers.
What?
You just hit 7 subscribers in your channel right now.
I know.
Good rap.
Wait. I'm gonna sit in my butt.
Congratulations. He got 7 subscribers in like
Yusuf, I'm sitting
10
with
days.
you. Yusuf, don't kidnap me. Don't kidnap me, bro. You almost kidnapped me, guys.
My brother is gonna play.
Go. Enter my car. They are gonna kidnap me. Bye, guys.
What did you say?
Bye, guys. See you tomorrow when I won. So this is good. Guys, go. Where are you guys?
I'm here, bro.
Where are you?
I'm in the parking, bro. There is earth in Darko.
I'm gonna try this ramp real fast.
Can I speak in Arabic in 1 second?
It's normal. Just talk in Arabic when you want. I'm gonna... Whee!
Why do you have earth? Why do you have earth in your house?
I don't know.
Yusuf.
That's cool. Yusuf, where are you? I'm just driving around
Wait a minute.
trying to find you. That you look? Holy cow.
Okay, hello.
Yusuf, where are you?
I'm still in the gas, but I'm going.
Okay, where are you? At the base? I am at the base.
You know, we saw guava juice.
What just happened?
Wait, did you stuck? I think you stuck.
I'm teleporting to my tycoon, guys. This is being amazing, guys. So,
Okay, we're in my tycoon.
me also, I'm in my tycoon.
Hey! I said you have second floor, man, and me also have a second floor. Go ahead, Umma.
Please stop. Please stop laughing like cows. Guys, what's wrong? Why are you laughing like cows?
You're a goat. You're a Sweeney. You're a Chinese because you have coronavirus.
If I have coronavirus, why do I'm not coughing?
Ah, you need to cough.
Yes, of course, yes. Why?
You freaking jerk. You said to me I'm right.
No, you ugly noob.
Coffee or cough?
I will call the cops, bruh.
Ah, you don't have coughs, bro. Coughs to
So this is the time I got for the episode. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Hoping for
They're not a like
50,000
because
likes. Yeah.
Okay.
Goodbye.